In this video, we're going to be doing a high taper on coily textured hair, and we're going to start this video out by making our bald guideline on the temple areas and in the back of the neck. Next, we're going to debulk the sides and the back of the head using the 1.5 guard, and we're going up to that parietal ridge. And the lever is fully closed with this 1.5 guard. So what I'm doing now is just debulking the hair and making a smooth canvas. Now I'm going to start with the lever fully open on the clipper, and I'm going to make a guideline. Next, I'm going to take the clipper with the lever fully closed, and I'm going to gradually open the lever until I blend up to the top of that guideline that I just made. So start with the lever closed and gradually open it up until you get to the top of that guideline. But be careful not to go over that guideline because you don't want to raise the blend. Next, we have on the number 1 guard, and the lever is fully open, and we're going up under that 1.5 guard that we initially debulked with. And notice how I'm holding the clipper flush. I'm not trying to dig, I'm just making a flat profile. So now we're going to close the lever. So the steps with the 1 guard, lever fully open, closed, and then we're going to go about halfway in just a second. And now it's about halfway. The steps with this hot taper is very simple. As long as you follow the steps, you'll get it right every time. Spots right here. The lever is fully open and I'm only using the corner of the blade. At this point, it's just cleanup work. I've gone through my system, so now I'm just touching up certain spots. Now we're going to do the exact same thing on the back of the neck. So once again, we're creating our initial guideline. And we're going to close the lever and gradually open it up until we get to the top of that guideline. So right here in this area, I'm using the 1 guard with the lever fully open, but his hair kind of grows in a lot of ways right here, especially right where the occipital bone is. So you're going to have to tilt the clipper different ways to get the hair to blend. That will often be the case when you're blending the back of the neck, especially if people wear do-rags or wave caps or anything of that nature, or even bonnets for some guys. It just makes the hair grow in weird rays right there. right side, and you guessed it, we're going to do the exact same thing that we just did on the left side and the back. By the way, if you're getting value out of this video, be sure to hit that like button, and if you're new to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, be sure to follow us on Instagram at Barber Style Directory. That's at Barber Style Directory. And you can also follow me on Instagram at Thomas Cut It. That's at ThomasCutit. Next, we have the one guard with the lever fully open. And if you notice, I start the taper just a little bit behind the ear as well, just because I want the taper to have that nice transition. You want the haircut to flow. Debunking in front of the line, just because the more you let this area grow out, it will start to curl up eventually. So I want to keep it laying flat, so that's why I'm debunking it. I'm not taking out too much, just enough to keep the hair from curling up. And here I'm applying some golden spray, just to lock the hair into place. And now we're just going to go ahead and proceed with the lineup. As always, don't over exaggerate the arch over the ear. You want to keep it as natural as possible. And using the corner of the blade really helps with this. If you try to use the entire trimmer, it's going to be hard, especially when you're trying to maneuver around a short and tight space. Up the front, it's helpful to comb everything forward. That way you can get all of the fly hairs that may be sticking over. And a good rule of thumb when lining the front, just start in the middle and work your way right or left, just whatever's comfortable for you. Starting from the middle is a lot easier than trying to start from one corner and work your way all the way across, because it's gonna create a larger margin of error that way. As you can see, this side is not as prominent as the left side, just because his hair goes a little bit different on that side. But you still don't push it, you just keep everything as natural as possible. Here is the finished result. Once again, if you got value out of this video, be sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button. Also comment what other videos you guys want to see in the future. But I'm going to let you guys check out the rest of the cut, and I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.